Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to create a whiteboard video announcing a product update using Doodly.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Product update videos are a great way to keep your customers in the loop, build excitement, and encourage ongoing engagement. They're especially helpful if you've made changes to your software, added new features, or improved your service. And Doodly makes it easy to bring these updates to life in a clear and friendly way. Today, we'll pretend that we are Acme TaskPro and we have some new features that we want to announce. And in this case, while I'm going to make the video, I'm going to convert it to an animated GIF file, or GIF, so that we can embed the animated image directly into our email software. That means we're not going to do a voiceover, it's just going to be an animated image. And that doesn't mean we don't have a script. I do have a script. These are the things we're going to cover in this video. You'll notice that I do already have a square graphic, and I think I want to stick with that. To do that, go to Settings, Resolution, choose Facebook and Instagram, and that turns it into a 1000 by 1000 pixel square. While I'm here, I'm going to change to a cartoon hand for fun. And let's create the video. First scene is already mostly done. It's this guy, and let's just do something like this, product updates. And I want the logo, so go to props, and I'm going to upload it. So I hit this little blue and white plus sign, and I'm just going to drag and drop my logo in. And we'll do something like that. And then I want some text. I think I'll use Architect's Daughter for my text. And let's change the color. Let's make it blue. And now I want to fiddle with the timing. My guy is already going to be drawn on, same with the computer. And then we'll bring our logo in. That will draw on. So I will do something in a minute. And then product updates will also draw on. Slow that down a little. And then this last one, we have great news, will draw on. So let's just take a look and then we'll fiddle with it some more. Right, so that's how the default is. We have great news to come on before the logo and product updates. 3 seconds for this logo is going to be a bit much. We'll go 2 for now, and let's have it draw on. So hit the pencil icon. By default, Doodly just scribbles on imported graphics. I'm going to tell it to draw it like a check mark. And right now you'll notice there's this little skinny red line, and it's only showing the drawing underneath that. So that's your path. I'm going to make it much fatter so this whole thing draws on. And I'm going to make some adjustments so that it's a little neater. That's good for that part. So let's do a new path. And this will be a little less fat. So I'm going to scribble it like so. And then we'll just draw on the words. I'm not going for perfection here. I just want the illusion more than anything. All right, that's good. Save and return. Now let's look. All right, I like that. The only thing I don't like is the hand erasing. So scene settings, erase mode, smart mode, off. While I'm here, let's give them a little extra time at the end so they can read all the stuff we just wrote on there. And then we're ready for our next scene. So I'm just going to add a scene. I'm going to move it in front of my little cheat sheet here. And we're going to say all of this stuff. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. Again, Architect's Daughter, double click, and I'm just going to paste in that text. And then let's add some spacing. I want the same character, so I'm going to go to characters. I have typed in David, so all of these are David. Actually, I like this where he's more triumphant. Scene settings. Let's make sure we have plenty of time so they can read what we just put on there again. And then this is going to probably be pretty long. So let's try 15 seconds. And let's have David on here first. About 2 seconds. Changed my mind. I'm going to have David come on after. And the reason is while this is drawing, that gives them more time to read. So I think that's fine. We need one more scene, at least. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. To a brand new scene. Again, Architect's Daughter. All right, I'm not really loving the bug. So I'm going to go to Marketplace. Type in bug. These are the Doodly Marketplace graphics. They do cost extra, but they are kind of fun. So let's see if I can find a cute one. I like this one. So I'll delete that. Let's see how that looks. And then again, a little extra time at the end of the scene. Then just a thank you, so we're just going to copy and paste this part. Add a new scene, put it in place, text. David once again. Again, I'm going to make him nice and big. And then we're going to put the logo here. I'm just going to type in TaskPro. Adjust my timing a little bit. Add some time at the end of the scene. And that should be good for the video. You can use it as is and link to the video in your email software if you'd like, or you can create an animated GIF is what I'm going to do in just a minute here. But first, let's go ahead and export it. Okay, the video is done and I'm now at easygif.com. You can use any other converter that you'd like. This is just one that I like to use. So I'm going to go to video to GIF or GIF. I know people pronounce it different ways. And I am going to choose my file. Here it is. Hit upload video. Okay, so here's my video. And right now by default, it's been putting an end time of 5 seconds. I want it to do the whole video. My video is 56 seconds long. So I'm going to type in 56. And this here, that'll be fine for our purposes. You can adjust them if you'd like. I'm going to have to go with a lower frame rate because I have a long video. That's okay. Let's go ahead and convert it. Something to keep in mind when you're making your videos. And here it is. Let's take a quick look and then we'll be done. And that's the video. To save it, you just hit save. And then you can just add it to your email client and the image will automatically play the video directly inside your user's email. I hope this gives you some ideas. Thank you for watching.